Assalamu alaikum, I'm Osama bin Ahmed. I just gave five subjects in O levels and got 4 A stars and an A. Out of all subjects I gave, my best result was in chemistry. I really thank Zinnah Sir for giving me the best education in chemistry, and now I can proudly say that I know chemistry more than I did before. Thank you, Zinnah Sir, I'm indebted to you.
Hello, I am Rushin Tabasum. I had 8 subjects in O level. Among them, I scored 6 A stars and 2 A's. My best result was in chemistry, and the total credit goes to Zinnah Sir. Thank you so much, sir.
Assalamu alaikum. My name is Zinnah Sir, and I have recently finished my O levels in January 2018. I have got 7 A stars, 1 A and 1 B. Among all of them, my best result is in chemistry. I am very thankful to Zinnah Sir. Thank you.
Hello, I'm Sporsho. I'm a student of Zinnah Sir. I have finished 5 subjects in my O level. I got A star in 4 subjects and A in 1 subject. My best result was in chemistry, and for that I would like to thank Zinnah Sir. Thank you.
Assalamu alaikum. I am Zarif Tamid. I am a student of Zinnah Sir. I completed my O level examination with 7 subjects. Among those, I got 3 A stars and 1 A. I scored my best result in chemistry, which is A star. Thank you.
Assalamu alaikum. I am a student of Zinnah Sir. My name is Abrar Jahin Abtahi. I recently finished my O levels and gave 7 subjects. I scored 3 A stars, 3 A's and a B, but I scored the best result in chemistry. I thank Zinnah Sir for his good support. Thank you.
Hello, Assalamu alaikum. I'm Abu Talha. I recently gave my O levels. I sat for 7 subjects and I got 6 A's and 1 B, but I still scored the best in my chemistry result. So I am very thankful to Zinnah Sir for this.
Hello, my name is Ayman Labib, and I have sat for 5 subjects in O level, and I have got 3 A stars and 2 A. I got my best result in chemistry. I studied chemistry in Zinnah Sir's class, and I'm very thankful that he has helped me a lot to achieve an A in chemistry. Thank you.
Assalamu alaikum, I'm Safwan Rahman. I gave 6 O levels exam in this January 2018 session. I got A in all of them, but my best result was in chemistry. I studied chemistry with Zinnah Sir for a whole year, and I'm very grateful for his guidance, and I hope he will guide me further in A levels. Thank you.
Hi, my name is Maisha Nunchat. Recently in the January of 2018, I finished my O levels. I had 5 subjects. I scored A stars in all of them, but definitely my best result was in chemistry. So I'm really grateful to Zinnah Sir because he actually helped me to achieve this result. So thank you.
Hello, my name is Dulok Naeem, and I'm with Zinnah Sir since 2016. I did my O levels, and I'm currently doing with my A levels with him too. In O levels, I got 8 subjects, 6 A stars and 2 A's in all those 8 subjects. And of them, chemistry was relatively better than most of the others. So I'd like to thank Zinnah Sir and all his contribution to my result and my well-being. Honestly, I think Zinnah Sir, what he taught us was that his teaching allowed me to actually learn everything in class instead of going home and spending hours staying up late at night. I don't think I studied like more than 2 hours before like the night before my exams. So I think Zinnah Sir really helped me with that. And in the end, I'd really like to thank him for everything he's done. And I'm very glad that I'm doing A levels with him now. I also hope to do my A2s with Zinnah Sir. Yeah, thank you.
Assalamu alaikum. I'm a student of Zinnah Sir. I'm currently doing my A levels with him and did my O levels. And in O levels, I had 9 subjects in total. Amongst them, I got 2 A stars, 4 A's and 3 B's. And my best result, the 2 A stars I got, was in chemistry. The greatest effort behind my result was my teacher, for sure, like Zinnah Sir. Not only he gave me the proper guidelines, he also motivated me throughout the whole course. He gave me the proper guideline to how to study, how to cope up with everything. And he not only taught me chemistry but also developed me being a good being a good human being, and I thank him the most for my achievement, and I hope to do my future studies with him. Thank
Hi,
you.
my name is Dr. Nivas, and I am a student of Zinnah Sir's Basic Chemistry Center. I gave my O levels in 2017, May 2017, and out of 8 subjects, I got 7 A's and 1 C, pure math. But the thing is, in chemistry, I got my best results, and it's all thanks to Zinnah Sir. I wasn't very good at chemistry at first, but after I joined Zinnah Sir, I became, well, I guess you say an expert. His questions are a lot harder than the O-level questions. If I just practiced question papers, I wouldn't have gotten A's at all. I would have gotten a B maybe. I'm doing the best in my A-levels.
My name is Ghazi Muhammad Fahmi. I am doing A-levels in Zinnah Sir's coaching. I also did my O-levels from him. In O-levels I had 6 subjects. I got 5 A stars and 1 C. And among all the subjects, my chemistry result was the best. And I'm doing pretty good in A-levels right now, hopefully. And Zinnah Sir is the best.
My name is Simran. I'm Zinnah Sir's student. I'm doing A-level with him. I did my O-level with Zinnah Sir, and I have my best result in chemistry. And I get A in all the subjects. I get highest mark in chemistry according to compared to my other subjects. And yeah, I feel myself blessed that I have a sir like him, because the way he explained, it was just awesome.